Mr. Speaker, may we recognize and welcome to the House of Representatives the guests of Representative Ray Reyes of Anak Kalusugan. Our guests are the following. We have Mayor Elegio Malaluan, Mayor Ernilio Villas, SB Member John Michael Malaluan, SB Member Jason Barcelona, PB Arnold Vargas, Punong Barangay Adolfo Amparo, Punong Barangay Edgar Valdez, Punong Barangay Nicanor Paderes, Punong Barangay Bienvenido Bauzon, Punong Barangay Efren Culia, Punong Barangay Francisco Almarez, Punong Barangay Virgilio Artillaga, Punong Barangay Romulo Bolaños, Punong Barangay Avelino Francisco Jr., Punong Barangay Marnel Rios, Punong Barangay Edwin Saise, Punong Barangay Leonie Tugas, Punong Barangay Feli Castillo, Punong Barangay LC Osorio, Punong Barangay Ernesto Gadon Jr., Punong Barangay Vernozaida Sarmiento, Councilor Garland Gahela, Councilor Eugene Ferias, Pastor Gilberto Dino, Mr. John Mark Forcado, and Ms. Razenda Benemerito.
To the guests of Congressman Ray Reyes from the municipality of Bongabong and the municipality of Bulalakaw, province of Oriental Mindoro. Nasaan po sila? Welcome to the House of Representatives. Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, under the calendar of business